In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Hotmail by date. Even though we still call it Hotmail, your mailbox lives in Outlook on the web, and sorting by date is a quick way to bring the newest or oldest messages to the top so you can focus on what matters. Start by heading to the official Outlook sign-in page for Microsoft 365 in your browser. This ensures you're on the correct, secure site. On that page, select Sign In. You'll be prompted to use your Microsoft account, so sign in the way you normally do. If you're shown a list of accounts, choose your existing account to continue. Depending on your security settings, you might see extra verification prompts. Just complete those as usual. Once you're in, you'll land in Outlook on the web. On the left-hand side, look for your folder list. Click Inbox to open your main mail view. If you have multiple accounts or folders, make sure the one labeled Inbox is highlighted so you're working in the right place. After the inbox loads, you'll see your messages in the center with controls across the top of the message list. Now find the sort control near the top of the list. In many layouts, it shows as a label like sorted by with a value next to it, or it may appear as a sort option. Click that control to open the sorting menu. This menu lets you choose different ways to arrange your emails. From the options that appear, select date. Outlook will immediately reorganize your inbox with messages arranged by when they were received. By default, it typically shows the newest on top. If your view looks reversed, check for a small arrow or toggle near the sort label that switches between newest to oldest and oldest to newest. You don't have to change it if the default works for you. It's just there if you prefer the opposite order. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the sort menu, try widening your browser window or look for a more or three dots menu that may hide extra options on smaller screens. Also, if focused inbox is on, you'll have focused and other tabs. Sorting by date applies within whichever tab you're viewing, so switch tabs if you don't see the message order you expect. Finally, the sort choice generally sticks for that folder, so the next time you come back to your inbox, it should still be sorted by date. That's it. Open Outlook, sign in, go to inbox, open the sort menu, and choose date. Thanks for watching, and happy inbox organizing.